Hi everybody, it's Nina, your Central Jersey realtor. What a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Today we are at Colonial Park. So I'm going to take you on a tour, but if you want more tours of Central Jersey, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell so you're notified when I do drop a new video. Let's take a walk. Colonial Park, located in Franklin Township, offers a variety of features and activities for its park visitors. We have a beautiful state-of-the-art playground, and off in the distance, you can see a newly constructed water park. Today may not be the day for that water park, but during the summer, the kids will love it. Colonial Park also offers 6 tennis courts. So anytime you're feeling like Serena Williams or Rafael Nadal, come on over to Colonial Park and hit a few. The walking and hiking trails within Colonial Park are a sight to behold. Also, there's fishing, cross-country skiing, a picnic ground, paddle boats, and a miniature golf course. All of this within the 685-acre facility that has scenic views of the historic Delaware and Raritan Canal, as well as the Millstone River. The athletic complex, named after Eugene and Lois Howe, is home to 6 soccer fields that are filled with an abundance of joy and laughter from the spring through the fall. Also located within Colonial Park is Spooky Brook Golf Course. It is one of 5 public golf courses in Somerset County. It's an 18-hole championship golf course, which offers a wide open layout with spacious fairways and greens. As a golfer myself, it is one of my favorite courses in Somerset County. Thanks again for taking the tour with me of Colonial Park in Somerset, and also Spooky Brook Golf Course out here as well. So don't forget, click that subscribe button, but also click the bell for notifications when I drop my next video. Take care, guys.